Yo, what is going on, guys? It is RINX here, back again with another video. We got the RCF wrapped and it looks amazing. Alright, it does look amazing from a distance, but guys, like, we gotta talk. We have a lot of problems here. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. Like this, I just got the car yesterday and there's a lot of problems. Like this wrap job, I'm honestly like, I'm not even an asshole like that, and I'm not gonna even like say anything bad about the person that did it, because like I'm hoping that he's gonna refund me, or I don't even want him to fix it, to be honest. I really don't want him to ever touch this car again. I've seen that he does good work. I saw his Instagram, like I saw his website, and he seems very professional, but like the work that he has done is just very unprofessional on my car. Let's see. There's just so many things. Like I could spend like an hour here probably showing you guys. First of all, the side skirt, like, bro, what is this inlay here? Like, he patched a little piece here, and then like, bro, what is going on? And then on the edge, oh, here's another good spot. Like, bro, did you not have enough vinyl to do this, like the whole piece? Like, what? As you can see, he had to add like a little piece here because he must have like not measured this out properly. And then the edge is just like all messed up. I wish that I did the whole car myself, because this is just like, this is just really bad. I'm gonna pull out my flashlight and see if I can get this to focus. But here's like one spot, like what is going on? And then right here, like it must have, like he must have not had enough, so he literally just cut like a random triangle piece. I know you guys can see that. Like, see right here is how it should be. He used knifeless tape, and there's a nice line going down and goes in, and that is really how it should be. Like that is perfect. And if that would have been what's going on around the whole car, then we wouldn't have had any problems. But let's move over here. If I can't show you guys this here good, I have a good video on my phone that I'm just gonna throw in the video. Okay, you can see like what is going on here. Like, what kind of patch job even is this? Like, does this meet you guys' standards? Or like, people, I need to know in the comments below. Another patch right here. Like, is this how it's supposed to be, or like am I getting scammed? And here we go, another patch right here. You could see like a little patch, and it ends, and another patch, and then like what is going on here? Like they're just throwing random pieces together just to cover the silver color of my car. Like, I don't even know what to think right now. Like, this was supposed to be professional, and it looks like it was done by a little kid. Like, I could have done better. Like, look at the edge here. Like, what is going on? It's the same on the other side. And then I'm gonna attach a video right now. He actually scratched my paint pretty bad in here. He also scratched my paint as well as right here. I'm gonna attach videos of these from my phone. I'll attach that right now. Bro, like, who the fuck cuts on the car, bro? Like,
oh my god, how's it going?
And then I understand like there being debris under the vinyl just a little bit, but there is a whole ass nipple right here. It feels like there's a rock under the paint or something. I mean, like, this is just unacceptable. And by the way, I supplied this vinyl for the installer. This was about like an $800 roll of vinyl, which I actually got a partial sponsor, so I got it for half off, so I paid $400 for the vinyl. And keep in mind, I wrapped both side doors. I wrapped this fender here, and we're not wrapping the hood because I have a new carbon fiber one. We're not wrapping the roof. So all the installer did was, did the front bumper, did the quarter panels, did the rear bumper, you know, like all the back, did this little piece, and then the side skirts that I showed you guys that were just like disgusting. So I paid $800 for install, and like, once again, that's like me not paying for vinyl, so that's like $800 just for those pieces being done. So for that price, like, I really did expect this to meet industry standards and, you know, be a high quality wrap job. Tommy, what do you think about this?
I mean, like, you should have just done it yourself.
Should have just done it myself. I know that I could have done better too, which is like the really sad part, and I debated for a while, and the reason that I ended up going to a shop is because like I didn't think I could do good enough, but I did way better than the wrap shop. So I don't even know You guys will see the videos in here of like my paint messed up. I don't even know where to go from here, to be honest. Right now, well, I kind of know where to go from here, but like, I just don't know like if this is the proper way to proceed. But right now I'm going to another wrap shop and I'm gonna show them this, like a legitimate wrap shop I found on Google. I'm gonna show them this job and see what they think about it. And I actually called a wrap shop, this wrap shop we're going to, and I was like, had my car wrapped the other day. I'm not gonna say who, like I'm not gonna name any names, but it's like I'm really not satisfied with it at all. And that shop was like, is it so-and-so that wrapped it? And I was like, yeah, like I guess I'm gonna name names now because they guessed it. So this guy just must be in the area like doing shitty wrap jobs, I hate to say it, but I mean, he was so nice. And like, I'm just hoping that I can end up working this out with him and like not having to like go through the law for my money back. But like, I don't think that this guy, like he's 25, he's a kid, and I mean, he seems like he has a legit business. Everything, Instagram looks good, website looks really good. So I think that he's just hopefully gonna refund me. Like, I want this vinyl paid for and I want my $800 back, and I want to take this vinyl off and I want to see what damage is done, and I expect him to also pay for what damage he did, because he told me that this was going to be done, like no knife on the car, which we agreed on. He said the only thing I would have problems with is if I take the vinyl off after and there's any chipping, which me and him both looked over my car ahead of time and he said that there wasn't. Oh, and here's like another spot. He took these off and then redid them. Like, what is even going on, bro? Like, do you guys see this? Like, I don't even know. And the same thing on the other side. There's a chip in the vinyl right here. There's a chip in the vinyl right here. And he also took my silver screws and put, like, I don't even know, those are my Lexus screws. So yeah, this is just honestly like, this is just a complete waste of money and time and everything. And originally I was gonna not trust him with my car, which I really shouldn't have done, and it's pretty disappointing. This is what money gets you, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm super tired. We're gonna head to the wrap shop now and see what the other professional thinks. I'll get back to you guys. So everybody, we are back from running to the wrap shop. So we ran to one wrap shop and we showed them the job that they did, and they really did criticize it a lot. But they also did criticize the vinyl company a lot, which really makes me worry. It's just like, I can't really blame total, you know, like installer error, because one of my other friends was at the shop. We went back to the shop where this was done, and he was there, a kid that I went to high school with, and he was like getting areas that lifted redone as well. So it's just like possible user error or installer error, possible, you know, vinyl error. But I don't really know what to think. After you guys have seen all the footage and reviewed it, let me know what you think. The guy that owns the shop, he did tell me that he would charge me $300 to just reinstall like a different company vinyl if I want, and I have to pay for the vinyl as well. But I'm gonna try to get him to do it like for free, and I told him that I'll show up there and I'll help him, like we can do it together. And he has some people working there, so like they can all help me and I can help them with stuff, you know, other projects they have at the place. And I was hoping that that would probably be the best bet, because it's really hard to trust somebody with my car after seeing, you know, the job that was just done. It's just really suspicious, and it really does worry me. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But I'm gonna show you in the sun. So it looks beautiful, I'm not gonna lie, but like there's just things like this, like dude, like just random pieces that are laid, like just like a random piece sitting right there, and just the random pieces in here that I already showed you guys. Like, you can't tell, but this is really messed up in here. This is terrible. And like, just look at these edges. Like, I'm so like picky, but once again, like not super picky to the point where like it's not just me, you know what I mean? And you guys saw these, like these look terrible, and they used too thick of tape to put them back on. Like, they weren't even properly reinstalled. You know, same thing with this one over here. And then we got this little thing, we got this big inlay here, just like another extra piece because they cut it bad and they're having problems with it not sticking. I mean, I'm not gonna blame the installer, but like the pieces that I did, the doors, they look great. So I mean, I do think that there was something on their part that went wrong, but I'm not gonna say who it is until, you know, we get this issue figured out. But damn, this is the piece that I did. And they did a pretty good job tucking here, and my tucking as well was good. The FedEx guy there was just staring at my car. And you know, like around here, we just minor issues, but still stuff that just makes me worry. Like there's silver sitting up right here. There's a little silver in there. And then you guys saw this. Like come on. Like what? You guys didn't see this in the sun. Like, yeah, there we go. Like what? Come on, guys. And got a little bit more in there. You can see, just not really, you know, possible poor application, but you know, possible vinyl failure as well. Isn't here, like, I hope they didn't bring the knife to my pain, but like that's, dude, like that's a really big silver spot that's lifting. And right here, yes, I have to push this in. But I think that we need to disassemble some more of the car to do this next time. Just silver everywhere, silver. Should have just left the car, man. You guys could see, just pretty sloppy. It's just sloppy. There's silver showing here. I don't know, man. I really need all of your input down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Like, should I redo it? Should I leave it? It's a very tough decision. But you know, at the end of the day, this is my baby, and there's a lot of money invested into here, and I don't want it to look like shit. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, and yeah, we will see what happens. Next video I'm probably gonna do on installing the new Sabon carbon fiber hood. Sabon, I still haven't got it right. I don't know how you say it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with better news. I'm out, peace.